Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TradeVSA. So this video here, I'd like to share with you 3 counters that having a reversal setups and how you can use the hourly chart to further enhance your trades. Okay, so again, this is not a buy call, but just want to share with you how usually we use volume by looking into the daily and hourly chart to help us to make the timing better. Okay, so I got this very first one. This is PENTAMASTER. Okay, so again we will start with looking into daily chart first. Okay, for these 3 counters. Okay, and we're going to go into the hourly chart. Okay, so first of all, this is daily. Okay, so daily we got high volume sell off. Okay, again, high volume sell representing a weakness, but if there is no follow through and subsequently be able to cross, which means this is a potential sound strength, okay, which is the selling climax. Okay, so we got a high volumes, okay, over these 2 bar, okay, cross trend 40s, okay, representing there's high chance for them to make a very good reversal. So by looking into this hourly chart, okay, this is what we can see at the moment. Okay, once it crossed the trend 40s, the trend seems to be nicer overall. Okay, green pentagons follow through. We got this uptrust here, and price definitely make a little bit of a pullback and sideways. Okay, so what we have here is that we got 3 test bar, low volumes, and subsequently at the current moment that I'm doing this video over here is today is 13. Okay, 13 of July around 10 a.m. Okay, so we got a pretty good volume on line change. Okay, so these 3 tests, okay, probably is representing there is a pretty good potential support around the areas, okay, which is very close with the 20 MA as well. So immediate resistance, okay, this is the UT area, so it seems like they are trying, okay, to break above this area at the hourly charts time frame. Okay, so if you are looking for this trade, you can always use the 3T areas, okay, as your potential cut loss point, okay, if you are interested. Okay, so let's look into the second one. I got JHM. Okay, JHM, let's study the hourly chart as well. Sorry, the daily chart first. So daily chart, unlike Penta, it doesn't show a high volumes down bar, so it doesn't show any selling climb in this case. But a few things is very obvious in JHM is that when they cross with high volumes. Okay, this is the high volumes areas. Okay, so again, volumes usually put lots of strength, okay, into the particular bars, okay, that no matter is down bar or up bar. So here another groups of volumes coming in. Okay, so seems like it's sideways, okay, at the moment. Okay, of course close with the 20 MA in the daily chart time frame. Okay, so here we got first test already, successful test around 20 MA. So this is representing a high chances for them to make a reversals too. So looking into this hourly chart, again, we're going to combine both daily and hourly to look for a better timing if you are looking for short-term time frame. So here, previous resistance turn to support. Again, in this case here, like JHM, we also can notice that there is a 3T right exactly as support. Okay, so it's kind of similar like how Penta is doing right now. Okay, so but this 3T with low volume, they are trading below trend 40s. Okay, unlike Penta is actually still above the trend 40s. Okay, so immediate resistance, okay, seems like they are trying right now, volume increasing at this hour. Okay, so we got a sell high volume but pushing it back. Okay, so it looks like the shakeout in hourly chart is completed around the areas too. Okay, so not sure. Okay, but if let's say there's a chance for them to make a minor pullbacks, okay, with lower volumes, probably the 3T area will serve as a good support. Okay, so last one before we go, let's take a look into FRONTKEN. Okay, actually 3 of them actually having a kind of very similar setups at the moment. Okay, so again, break below trend 40s, inverse pullbacks. We got some bonds coming in, volumes, but this is double volume. Against when volume, big volumes are being crossed, okay, which means this is representing a sound strength. Okay, so cross trend 40s, successful test, first test. Okay, now seems like also they are challenging the immediate resistance. Okay, in the hourly chart. Okay, so let's look into hourly chart again. Okay, so it's slightly a bit similar. Okay, I cannot say totally similar with Penta and JHM, but currently we also can see this hour in the morning today. It come with volume and try to retest, okay, on the immediate resistance, okay, which is the UT. Okay, so for FRONTKEN, it doesn't have the 3T, but I do see 2T over here. Okay, holding more trailing 40s, and this 2T is actually also back up, okay, with NS, okay, at the on this 6th of July. Okay, we got an NS over here. Also serve a pretty good support, okay, at the moment. Okay, so for those that who are using the hourly chart, probably this is a few key areas, okay, we want to look into, because these few areas come with sound strength. Okay, so again, this is not buy call, just show you how usually we use one spread analysis, okay, to further enhance our analysis, okay, by combining the daily and hourly chart. Okay, so with this, I will close this video right now. Okay, if there's any changes in these three charts, okay, I will definitely give an update soon. Thank you.